Happy All Eyes on Friday, my friends. I'm Jessica with Bloom United, and I am an independent mascara artist. So we are doing a super easy haloed ombre look, and we are starting with a base color of Sabrina. So you are seeing these in little individualized tints because these gorgeous ladies are magnetic, and you can customize your own case. This is Bubba. I use Bubba every single day. You're going to see her in so many tutorials, and I'm adding her into the crease of my eye. Now you're seeing me using the smaller end of the Eyeshadow Everything brush to create a new crease line on the actual brow bone of my eye, right there. So that when my eyes are nice and open, you are still seeing that color not being hidden inside of that crease, which stinks. I'm going in next with Lullaby, a beautiful matte colored purpley pinkish color, and I'm adding her right below Bubba, directly into that crease line that just slightly moves onto the actual hood of your eye. So this is just in your transition. Next I'm going in with Kin in the smaller end of my brush, and I'm putting her on the top of my eyelid the whole way over. So you're making like a rainbow effect on the top of your eyelid, keeping the bottom of it nice and open. Going in with Lullaby to blend. I'm using Lullaby to blend because I want a nice smooth ombre transition. This is Trust. I also use Trust to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm just pressing her nice and lightly tapping her into the corners of my eye and sweeping her across. Going back in with the smaller end of my Eyeshadow Everything brush with Sabrina, and just cleaning up those edges so the middle of my eye, that base of my eye, is nice and bright to keep it awake for hooded eyes. Taking a little bit of Lullaby just to smoke out that eye just a little bit, just at the bottom of my eyes. And that's it, friends, with a little bit of extra eyeliner added right there. And there is your nice, warm, easy ombre look. If you have any questions, you can always message me. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe below, my friends.